How to turn off touch sounds as well as touch vibration. This is on Vivo phones with Android 14 FunTouch OS 14 global version. If you want to disable any of these, use the quick access, pull it down twice, tap on the settings icon right here. Then while here now, go down until you see the sounds and vibration right there. Once you're in this section here now, you want to go down a little bit more until you see other sounds and vibration, this right here. So we got a few cool ones here that maybe you might want to take a look at. And basically how this works is you got the dial pad sounds. Every time you're dialing on your phone app, you'll hear a tone sound. That will turn it off. Screen locking sounds, that's going to turn it off. Anytime you plug your phone to charge, or if you get your wireless charging available, you're going to hear a tone sound. If you don't want that, turn that off. This one here is the touch interaction sounds and also will include your keyboard, which will only apply to the Gboard keyboard if your phone is the global version. All right. You got the screen capture tones, such as screenshots, and then touching for swiping and keyboard. You get your vibrate here. And then for answering and ending call, when the other person does that to let you know the person answered or end the call, it will vibrate. So these are all the options you can come and change at any given time, like and sub.